What leaks more than Amber Heard's bowels on Johnny Depp's bed? My MX-5. Yes, you heard it here first. The MX-5 is one leaky, sad boy. Yeah, anyway, the roof, it's not roofing. The glass, where it meets up with the tonneau cover, or soft top, whatever you want to say, it currently isn't at the moment. So in today's video, we are going to attempt to repair it, because to replace the whole roof isn't the cheapest thing in the world. And if I was going to do that anyway, hardtop MX-5 is definitely where it is. So, without any further ado, we'll fix this mighty MX-5. If you watched our previous video, you would have seen that my mighty MX-5 that I picked up for our flip-off had a little bit of a problem with its roof. Unfortunately, the bottom part of the glass on the, how would you say, the tonneau cover, the soft top roof, has separated from the fabric, and now water can get inside, which is not good because it's also introducing moisture into the cabin, which is making it smell a bit bad, and I probably think there's going to be some mold if we don't attend to it. So today we're going to attempt to re-glue it and hopefully fix it, fingers crossed. So as you can see here, the bottom of the glass has separated completely from the soft top. I don't know if this is attempted to be prepared before, because this black glue doesn't seem like it's been applied well. But nonetheless, what we're going to do, we did, going into this, we did think, we'll just remove the entire roof. That way we can get good access to it. But having a second look at it, we noticed that it's really from right around here to the bottom, and this corner is kind of held up fine. So it's really this section here. From reading online, one of the best things we could use is this. It's called Gorilla Grip, and people have had success with this. So we're going to give this a whirl, and we're going to lightly sand the top and the bottom side. We'll try and get that a good sand, just so the surface is as clean as we can get it, and there's something for the glue to grab onto and hold. So yeah, if you see us taking the roof off, you'll know that it was a big mistake and we need to take the roof off. But we'll give it a light sand, clean it up, and hopefully we can attach this glass back to the cover. So it's now the next day. We've waited well over 24 hours to let the glue settle and hopefully bind to the glass. So this is the moment of truth. We're going to take back the tape, all the things propping stuff up, and hopefully we have a soft top that is sealing the glass on the roof. So I guess go and take it away. So we haven't had to take the roof completely off, which we weren't opposed to doing, but when we're having a look at it at the beginning, we were just kind of thinking, if it was, I feel like if there was more of an area where it had separated, we probably definitely would have had to have taken the roof off. But so far, it looks pretty good. We'll take out all right, so the top. got a little, Jesus, that's really set. We've got a little bit of residue that we'll have to clean up. For the most part, like, it is, they don't lie when they say it's a gorilla grip. This is holding phenomenally. It's quite annoying that someone obviously in the past has used some other glue to try and re-glue this, and it's left black crap all over it. We went for a clear Gorilla Grip, so you can't really see it at all. Yeah, I guess time will tell as to how long this lasts. We may need to just put a little bit more glue here in the corners. There's a little bit lifting up, but job done. Glass is done. Perfect.
So the MX-5's roof seems to be fixed.
Not leaking like Amber Heard.
Not leaking like Amber Heard. I mean, well, I guess we won't fully know until we drive it in the rain.
And the real test, I think, is going to be when we close and open the top with the fabric moving.
But I mean, the glue's holding it like so strong at the moment.
It's solid.
So I think worst case scenario, if it does leak a little bit, we could probably put in a little bit of glue, almost as like a sealant rather than just holding it.
But it's definitely holding.
It's definitely holding, yeah, which is a lot better than what it was before.
Yeah, so I couldn't wash the car or anything because obviously as soon as I spray anything over the top of the door, the interior gets soaked. And I think it's been that way for quite some time because unfortunately, when we were rummaging around trying to get access to the behind the roof, found some early signs of mold, which is not what you want in a car. So I did spend some time off camera, just disinfecting the whole car, cleaning all the surfaces. And now with a sealed roof, there should be no mold and moisture and stuff getting inside, and just creates a weird smell. Like your Jazz has got it.
Yeah, my Jazz had a little bit of leaks.
Bit of water.
Especially because we didn't touch it for a while. We went in there and it's just crazy. Yeah.
Mold smells.
Yeah.
Yeah. Updates. Morgan's still looking for a car.
Yeah. We got some more auction stuff we're gonna go and have a look at. But
video will be an auction video. There's one that if you can get, I think wins in every single challenge.
Really hoping it goes to plan.
Yeah.
Because it's a cool car as well.
Yeah, I would own one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. But yes, thanks heaps for watching. By the time this video goes up, our meet will be this Friday, the 3rd of June. It's gonna be big. So we did get delayed.
Yeah, because it was raining.
Yeah, Brisbane had, it was like a month worth of rain, just non-stop, didn't let up. Yeah. So we've rescheduled. We thought, hey, what the heck? We've had to reschedule. Let's make this even bigger than what a normal monthly meet is. So we're hosting another mega meet. If you guys were at the last one, if you're anywhere in Brisbane or the Gold Coast, you probably went to it because there was over 2,000 people.
Oh yeah.
It was gigantic. So round 2, come on down. We've got a few vendors.
Yeah, vendors.
Shops.
I mean, there's a McDonald's.
There's a Macca's. God, I feel sorry for their workers.
Yeah.
But
I just gotta say, I love when we turn up and you can see all the workers like,
they're looking in the window like, oh no, I'm not leaving on time.
Yeah.
So if you're in that Brisbane to Gold Coast region, come on down. It's going to be epic. I've checked the forecast and triple checked the forecast. There's no rain.
Cool.
No rain at all. It's meant to be nice and sunny, but obviously when we do it, it won't be sunny. Yes, there was a question, are we still having the cruise? Yes, we're still having the cruise. It won't be the standard 2-3 stop cruise. It'll just be 1 stop. So it'll be a nice long cruise so you can still get rolling shots of all your cars. If you're wanting rolling shots of the cars, what car are you in?
I think we're taking a Golf.
Oh, the red one?
Yeah.
Okay, so a red Mark 7.5?
0.5, yes.
Mark 7.5 Golf R is the camera car. Be on the lookout for that.
You'll probably see a camera hanging out anyway. So
yeah, you'll see Morgan.
A bit of a give.
Ooh. Amazing, we've never broken, dropped or anything.
No.
Yeah. But anyway, so if you want to be featured in our after meet video, red Mark 7.5 Golf R is the car you're looking out for. And I said it before, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I think it's 70-something% of you guys are not subscribed. Come on, man. We're nearly at 1,000. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and comment down below, what should Morgan be trying to get? Because he's just dragging his feet, not buying anything.
There's just not much I could
The car market at the moment is pretty hard.
Yeah.
People are buying and buying like crazy, which means selling. I mean, it's easy for the seller. It's just hard for the buyer because cars get snatched up. Like the MX-5 was bought in 30 minutes from being listed.
Yep.
Yep.
If you're 30 minutes too late,
Yep.
we might have
Like Morgan was.
Yeah, maybe still have gotten it. I would have had it. So
Yeah. So anyway, thanks heaps for watching. We'll see you in the next video where we're at the auctions, hopefully picking up Morgan's next car. But until then, bye for now, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next Project B video.